Oh, hello there, Jen.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm gonna make a fidget spinner.
Uh, what?
A fidget spinner, it's a way to sort of stimulate your senses in a way that's soothing.
Oh, I think I could use a little bit of that. I like this music, by the way.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm grooving. I'm grooving.
Yeah, okay.
So what do you got here?
Well, first you need to start with some craft sticks. So I've cut these to be 2.5 inches long and about half an inch wide.
Okay.
And then once you have these, you decorate them with some duct tape.
Excellent. How do you measure that?
Uh,
What sort
I,
of tool can you use?
Yeah, so I just like got myself a ruler and then I made some little marks on my stick of like where I needed to cut. And then after that, this is actually just a regular craft stick that I cut in half to get
Nice.
that sort of half-inch width.
A ruler.
This is probably gonna take a while.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Well, let me pause my video here. Here, let me help you here.
Good luck. I don't think you have functioning thumbs.
Sort of. You know, you get old and they stop working after a while.
That sounds kind of frightening.
Yeah, well, you know, look at me. I'm like 200 years old or something. I forget. I lost count.
Wow, that's a lot of years. What
Yes.
have you been doing this whole time?
Well, I've been hanging out here at the Kyle Public Library.
Yeah, but the Kyle Public Library hasn't been around for 200 years. So what about before that?
Well, I was a pirate.
Okay, but what happened? Didn't pirating stop in like the 17th century or something?
Well, not in other countries.
Oh. Oh, wait, I bet. Like, haven't you been doing like online pirating? Like you were using.
No, 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 no. I barely even know how to use a computer.
Oh, really?
Oh, now look at that. Look at that right there. Look at all these different colors. There's a pink, there's a blue, and there's a multicolored one. I like the blue the best, Jen.
Because it's the color of the sea?
Yes.
That's actually what the duct tape looks like.
Oh. You know, after this, I'm going to make my own, you know? I'm going to do it all blue to remind me of the sea. I miss the sea.
You were very inland here.
Yep,
Okay.
I agree.
So after you have
A little
your craft
too
sticks-
inland.
After you have your craft sticks all decorated, you're going to get yourself a skate bearing. So the skate bearing, you can find them online, and I think you can also find them at Walmart. But
Oh, Walmart. Yes, I know about that, but I try to avoid it at all costs.
Understandable.
But I can get this online, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you can.
Amazon.
So you're going to have to glue the sticks so that they meet each other on the ends and they are going to fit perfectly around the skate bearing. So what's best to do is to hot glue them, and then while the glue is still drying, you make sure that it fits around here. So this is what makes it kind of a difficult craft. So it's going to be kind of like this.
You know, I would say something. I think if there are little children and kids, they want to probably ask their parents for help, right?
Yes, using hot glue, you definitely want to have an adult around, because otherwise you can burn yourself.
I don't want to burn myself. I've been doing that too many times.
Yeah,
I'd be burning myself.
that sounds pretty scary.
It is. You don't feel it at first. Give it a couple of seconds and you're, oh!
So now while this glue is still drying, I'm gonna make sure and press the sticks around the skate bearing.
Jen, that's a triangle. That's a triangle. I know that shape.
Yes, 3 sides and 3 points. All right. So
What'd you say? The glue's about dry?
about dry, yeah. So now I'm going to add some glue here in the center around the skate bearing to keep it in place. And this can be a little bit messy. You want to have some extra glue to actually hold the sticks to the skate bearing so it kind of sticks out like this. There we go. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that dry, and then when it's done, basically it will be done. Something you can do at home if you're using like the 6000 glue or something other than hot glue is you can use clothespins to hold
Oh, I see, to hold it together.
ends in place so that they dry exactly the way that you want them to.
Oh, I used to use those on a shipmate of mine. He would always talk. I would get a few of those and just like, put his lips together and then clamp them because he just would not shut up.
That doesn't sound like a healthy workplace.
No, it was very toxic at one point. Thankfully, we got an HR department. HR. You get it?
Okay.
I'm looking at that there, but I'm also looking at this one, right? Look at that. Wow.
That was my first one, so...
You did that?
Yeah, so this one I think looks a lot better because it's not as, this one's a little dinky.
Yeah.
All right.
Just like me leg.
Okay, so then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to add these washers to the ends. So the way that a fidget spinner works is that you have this circular motion, and by adding weight to the ends around the skate bearing, it's what actually makes the fidget spinner spin properly. So that's going to be the last thing that we do.
I like spinny things.
Me too. So I'm going to grab some out of here. And then just use a little spot of glue. And just stick those on like this.
Don't mind me, I'm just dancing to this groovy music.
Yeah, actually, that's kind of funny that I did that because this is music by a guy who's also a professional skateboarder, and we're using skate bearings for these spinners.
Well,
I accidentally did a funny and cool thing.
that's right.
Okay.
This reminds me of the 60s. I don't want to tell you about that.
What were you doing in the 60s?
I can't remember about 90% of it.
I won't ask any more questions.
It's because I'm old. It's because I'm old, all right?
Oh, okay. So then we're about done. So it spins nice and easy. Whenever you use these skate bearings and you're trying to spin them, hold this inner metal part and not the red part or this outer part.
Okay.
If you hold the inner part, it actually will spin like this. There you go.
There
And that's
you
how you
go.
make a fidget spinner.
Wow, that's amazing. You're a regular artist.
Not really. Yeah.
Well, thank you very much, Jen. I'm gonna get right to work to make me own right now, okay?
Okay.
All right,
Maybe
I
we can
just-
help with the hot glue.
All right, I don't want to burn me fingers. All right, we'll see ya. Oh, where'd you go? That way. Hey, we'll see ya.